Hi guys, how's it going? Today we're going to be replacing the air filter of my 2005 Honda CRV RD5. As you can see, we have a FRAM air filter. If you ask me, it's really good stuff. So to access the air filter, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 bolts that you need to remove. This clip right here can stay on since you can wiggle the top cover. I had to then do the ring lock at the bottom part of the top cover. So you wiggle the top cover off, then the air filter should come right off, no problem. On the car for 4 years, I just never got around to replace it, so it looks very, very dirty. So on closer inspection, there are bees inside, so you need to vacuum these off. So this is the replacement FRAM air filter. Looks very clean, all white, and looks very well made, as you can tell from the outer rubber seals. So for quick comparison, the old, at least 4-year-old filter, then the brand spanking new FRAM air filter. Alright, so you just put the new filter in, making sure it sits flush on the holder on the air filter box. Then you can put the top cover on. Alright guys, so looking at my 2004 Honda CRV maintenance interval. From the manual, replace air cleaner element every 48,000 kilometers or 30,000 miles. So that's it. It's a relatively easy fix. Just buy one from your auto shop, auto store, install it 5-10 minutes. Alrighty, you have a good one.